Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're about to dive headfirst into a country that pulsates with life, culture, and a whole lot of heart, Brazil. If you've ever dreamt of pristine beaches, vibrant cities that never sleep, and a culture that's as warm as the Brazilian sun, then buckle up, because this video is your golden ticket. We're breaking down everything you need to know to make your first trip to Brazil an absolute banger. Get ready for top Brazil travel tips for newbies. Let's do this thing. Listen up. Learning a few basic Portuguese phrases is like having a secret weapon in Brazil. It shows respect for the culture and trust me, Brazilians appreciate the effort. Plus, it'll make your life 10 times easier when you're trying to order a caipirinha at the beach. Think about it, you're in a foreign country, totally lost, and BAM! You manage to ask for directions in their language. Instant respect, instant connection. It's like magic, but with more pão de queijo.
Check one, check two.
Okay, real talk time. Brazil is incredible, but like any other country, it's got its quirks. Stick to well-lit areas, especially at night, and be mindful of your belongings. And hey, if you're ever unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask locals for advice. They know their stuff. Remember, common sense goes a long way. Just like you wouldn't walk around your hometown with your eyes closed and your wallet hanging out, do the same in Brazil. Be aware, be smart, and you'll be golden. Let's talk money, honey. The currency in Brazil is the real, and you'll want to have some cash on hand for smaller purchases and those sweet street food finds. Credit cards are widely accepted in bigger cities, but it's always a good idea to have some cash as backup. Plus, who can resist the thrill of haggling for souvenirs with a wad of reais in your hand? It's all part of the adventure, my friend. Brazil is a big country, but getting around is surprisingly easy. From the bustling streets of São Paulo to the sunny shores of Rio, you've got options, my friend. Public transportation is your best bet in the cities with buses and subways connecting all the major spots. And for those times when you want to venture off the beaten path, ride-sharing apps are your new best friend. Brazil's got it all, beaches, rainforests, bustling cities, you name it, and with all that diversity comes, you guessed it, diverse weather. Pack light, breathable clothes for those tropical vibes, but don't forget a light jacket for cooler evenings or higher altitudes, and when it comes to shoes, comfort is key. You'll be doing a lot of walking, exploring, and maybe even some samba dancing. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Get ready to tantalize those taste buds because Brazilian cuisine is a flavor explosion. From the iconic feijoada, a hearty black bean stew, to the mouth-watering picanha, a cut of beef so tender it melts in your mouth, you're in for a treat. Don't even get me started on the street food. Pastel, coxinha, acarajé. Each bite is a symphony of flavors and textures that'll have you saying obrigado for more. Brazilians are some of the warmest, most welcoming people you'll ever meet. But just like any culture, they have their own way of doing things. A simple hola goes a long way, and don't be afraid to let loose and embrace the Brazilian zest for life. Whether you're cheering at a football match, sipping caipirinhas on the beach, or just soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, remember to be respectful, be open-minded, and most importantly, have fun. From the iconic beaches of Rio de Janeiro to the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls, Brazil is a country that begs to be explored. Lose yourself in the vibrant streets of Salvador, marvel at the architectural wonders of Brasilia, or venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Each destination offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Brazil, leaving you with memories that'll last a lifetime. Before you jet off to the land of samba and sunshine, let's talk about staying healthy. Consult with your doctor about recommended vaccinations and any necessary precautions based on the regions you'll be visiting. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? And hey, while you're at it, pack some sunscreen, insect repellent, and maybe even a first aid kit just in case. Listen up, folks, because this is important. Travel insurance isn't just another expense, it's your peace of mind in a foreign land. Make sure you're covered for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and any other unexpected hiccups that might come your way. Trust me, having that safety net will allow you to relax and fully embrace the Brazilian adventure without a worry in the world. So there you have it, my friend, your ultimate guide to conquering Brazil like a pro, even if it's your first rodeo. I hope this video has armed you with the knowledge and inspiration to make your Brazilian dream a reality. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.